And the last type of angles that I want to talk about are called same side interior angles. Okay, and again, at this point, you can probably figure out why it's called that. Same side, meaning it's on the same side of the transversal, and interior because it's inside or in between the two lines. So for example, in this case, we would be talking about angle 3 and angle 5 would be same side interior angles because they're on the same side of the transversal. They're both to the left of the transversal, and they're both inside the two lines that look parallel. And so the thing that you should know about them is that if the lines are parallel, then the same side interior angles are going to be supplementary, but it also works the other way around, just like all the other parallel line relationships. If the same side interior angles are supplementary, then you also know that the lines are going to be parallel, okay? So if you know that line L and line M are parallel to each other, then you know that angle 3 is going to be supplementary to angle 5 because they are same side interior angles. Okay, similarly for angle 4 and angle 6, they're going to be supplementary because they're also same side interior angles because they're both to the right of the transversal and in between the two parallel lines. Okay, and let's talk about why they're always going to be supplementary. So for example, let's say that angle 3 is 60 degrees. Then that means that angle 6 is also going to be 60 degrees because angle 3 and angle 6 are alternate interior angles. And so if the lines are parallel, then you know that they're going to be congruent. Okay, so angle 3 and angle 6 are congruent because they're alternate interior angles. And you also know that angle 5 and angle 6 form a linear pair, which means that they're supplementary. So they add up to 180 degrees. So that means that angle 5 needs to be 120 degrees. And so that means that these two angles, the angle 3 and angle 5, are going to add up to 180 as well, which means that they're going to be supplementary. Okay, same idea for angle 4 and angle 6. So angle 3 and angle 4 are also a linear pair. So angle 4 is also going to be 120 degrees. And so angle 4 and angle 6 also add up to 180. And they're same side interior angles.